Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Voice of the People Party hapo ka jinglam u President barangba u badir u MLA ka nongkram constituency uba adan malabasai mod ringkat u MLA ka maulai constituency uba Bright Starwell Marbanyang hini ka singi kilarit ban ai da ka Shithi shu menteri rangba ka jila u konrat sangma ban kerpat na u ban thau da ka jingtoket ban Leit luot ni ka independent inquiry hagarukam Pyntreikam ni ki Skhim jong ki MLA na do usnam ahajar pra dak basdang shwa na ka nongkram constituency. Kani ka jinglet ai jing tho ka VPP ka de hadian ka Jingkren u konrat ka ba ulo ong bagi don ki MLA ka Liang Pyrshah ki bom shimtre ban pan Skhim na ka sarkar bat kim shim na Pyntreikam ba ya ki Skhim ban pendroi ki constituency jongki ka ba ulo kren ha ka snip dang buram u MLA bat MDC barim ka nongkrem u ba lambor malnyang bat kinong kershan jong u syak NPP uba adan ha ba kren shikilat pathai khubor ulo ong bagani ka Jingkren u menteri rangba le ese ka thobet ya ka VPP But le se kadai namar ba ulas ngoshong shit badon ki dukhat bawan penyeso shaga seng kabala penlong yu menteri rangba ban kran ya ki te ki kentian kum tau lo ong baga jingsa dian ka constituency kam dei tang nakadaw ka MLA scheme namar tang ka MLA scheme kampat dap ban penbyang ya ka constituency handai ka deiru ka kamram jong ka sarkar ka bagi Pyntreikam jong ka kin Pyntreikam jana ya ki scheme uba adan ulo ong baga rukam senshar ka sarkar MDA kampat long rangba Hendai ka nong yalam berkat tang ya sign perthei bat ka ek bakile kam dei nak benta ka bet ka byang jong ka jela burok ka wei hendai ka long tang ban pentikna ba ka party ka jongki kanang yesen shar ha ka jela dak ba penbet penthame ki pat ba bat ka jingle jong ka sarkar brelam dak NPP ka de ka jingyo ben ki pat ba ki budget ki wei pat ki party ula benrap uba Bright Starwell pat ulo ong ba ula pha ki jingterwa ha ka office menteri rangba ana du usnam arja arpulai ha ka bede bat ka CMSDF Handai haduk menta ya kini kijing terba jong u ompat shimna pelat kum tau loong baga Jingkren menteri rangba kam ya hap satya namar haduk menta tang iskim ibaret nak Liang jong u umpat pelat
Adani ga sini na Liang ga jing ka party Yuan ban ai ka Shithi ha o chief minister ka Shithi ha ke bidi bat jing Pyntreikam ya ka MLA scheme ka ba alami ka jing kan tho na kalian ka jong chief minister ba jing Pyntreikam ya ki MLA scheme ham kham tam ha ki constituency balami khmat ta ki jong Pyrshah mo dak pa tho se ki jing tho ka kambon se ka Voice of the People Party kam ilong ka ba bai se ka ba tikana je kani ki Shithi ka long kum me mo man puli khniat yan sa ai da copy dak sub copy to Sri Conrad Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya, Shillong, from Aden Miller Besaimat, MLA President, Voice of the People Party, Laikor Kantonmon, East Castle District. Subject implementation of MLA schemes. Dear Mr. Conrad, on behalf of the Voice of the People Party, I take this opportunity to write to you this letter in connection with the implementation of MLA schemes. Our attention has been drawn by your recent statement in connection with the implementation of MLA schemes, where you had expressed your concern about the manner in which MLA schemes are implemented, especially in constituencies representing by members belonging to the opposition. I would like to appreciate your concern and apprehensions when you decide to question whether MLA schemes have been properly utilized or not. I fully endorse your sentiment that MLA schemes should be properly utilized and implemented in a transparent manner. I would also like to bring to your notice that as a party which believes in transparency and accountability, it had already written a letter to all its MLAs to ensure that implementation of MLA schemes should be implemented in a transparent manner. Therefore, in this connection, I would like to take a cue from your statement and express my sincere desire for an independent inquiry into the implementation of MLA schemes in the state to be immediately constituted by the government. I would further suggest that you initiate this investigation from the year 2008 onwards, starting from 22 Nongkrem constituency and subsequently to be followed by other constituencies. I hope you will seriously consider this matter so that the people of the state will be more informed about the entire issue. This is Kani ketika Shithi Kabani Niwan Ban Aihong Chief Minister hadin bagi osno ya ke Jingkren ke jengu ba kamdon karukam Pyntreikam ka ba janai ka ba yang hai gede ba ke any scheme dan nagaliang ka jungi ba nagaliang ka jungu present di wan ai jitho bandawan us Chief Minister bodi ban thau da ka jing toket mo ka ba lai lu independent inquiry bat ban sedang ban toket ya ki jingpen Pyntreikam ik MLA scheme nado usnem arjar pra bat ka ba ki sedang nanong krem constituency pas penbuat pat itu constituency hi ngam tip kai ka penlong ya Chief Minister let's say Chief Minister la song shit ha ka jingrim khot jingki pri ka party kala pelong you Chief Minister let's say ba un kren yi gini ki kentin but kawai ni haban so tho ba ka jing sadin jong ka constituency kamdei ha tang nakadaw ka MLA scheme arklor shiteng shisnem kala abyang se ba pin kentiu ya ka constituency tang da itai arklor shiteng ndrei ka state lani ka constituency ka kiu ha karukam Pyntreikam jana yi ki schemes ki ba fair link ba ke department ki ba fair bakata kari ka kamram jo sarkar lada mangi ki badon hakaliang Pyrshah ngila ban le ya kata lani banon rai ka roi ka par klem da don hakaliang sinsha kabumut ngim don kam hiru bangin ye kren yenu ngin le hi ndrei ya ki kam roi ka par hi ka dei ka Pyntreikam ka janai jo ki department but ka policy jong ka sarkar kani ka dei ka jing Pyrshah ban ketat no i ke jimut ke jipakhat ki pai ba rakaba Pyrshah ban kedo ya ka benta desi ke ba phiklem perkhat la kalong ne em ba don nong rim bak shisha hi kumbakalong ngalajop ya MLA election adu usnem arajar pra hadu ajar khat pra but ajar khat pra ngaremno kompetitif new reward but hagini kesan sinem adu ajar khat pra hadu arajar apply na klem don benta IAWM but the constituency lani bik pai ba lah kan gondo ko benta kalian telara kita ki sinem ki bangang along kumu MLA mo ki bau pai ba ulama kilong kisnem ki ba ngaklem la ban pedi ki kam pimot bau pai ba on dan jip yang ausnem arazar arplai ba ka jingjob ka don borom langit ki pai ba ha ka jela ki i mo ki pai ba ki ha ka jela ki ba ka election house nem arplai kam de election ka balong simple ndrei ka election how apply ro ka de election ka shirkai ka jiwa the ka jiwa ai jingarap tendri paling ba dan ubah klem le yu job magi pai ba ki pe ka ship house nem but ka jingram ko junga ha ka snem aja kha prale se kamde ke jingram no bu pai ba kon tai ai ke dige jupnia ke jung play pan sandur thmai pat ya ka san pat pai aka jala ko hangni ngi i ya ka jinglong ka bashisha lani ka leadership mo jong ka ni ka sarkar ndi ka bangi i ba ka leadership ko bakalong jong ka sarkar ndi kam de ka leadership ka balong rangba kam de ka leadership ka ba perkhat ka state ndre ka leadership ka ba perkhat tang ha ka politics lani ha ka electoral politics but kai ke baki kile kam de namar ka bit ka bian ka jong ka jela ber ko ndri tolong ban chupin tikana be baka party ke jong ki kandang ni sinshar ya ka jela ka chung da ka bakin bit pen kami ya ki pai ba kata ka diga daw ba plong but ka wi ro anong ibi ka jingle jong ka sarkar MD apo ka jinglam jong ka MPP ka dei ka jinglo ben ka jinglo po na ka insult ya ki pai ba nong jit mo ki pai ba nong jit ki ble jit ki wi pat ki party claim de jit ya kini ki party ki basisha te kumbadon ka jingong mo you can fool some people sometime but you cannot fool all the people all the time laban penbit shipori ki pai ba katu ka ni na pring ki pai ba dai pinum laban penbit yu pai ba baro barhap ki por baro
je nak lihat jonga ru ni ka si wan ban ai ko ka Shithi abi di bu chief minister kani gidi ba ka CMSDF lan ka chief minister special development fund ka ba kum UMLE ni don ya ka ba ka ba kum ba spolak ka ba ngila ban pha ya ka proposal ling ba jonga ni ka CMSDF ka ba suling ko long ba nak liang ka jonga ngala submit ya kini hakidi ki Leit kisnam apply arpsa ursan bar arpsan arkundriu ya ka proposal habi di ba kani ka CMSDF ngelajuan baju keliru nak office jong CM nrai kabalingo kalong ba hadu mentah ya kini proposal ski bapa nak kalian kajunga tang kawiru lempat pelai kajungora kajunga ni por kalong ban penkemau ya kini proposal ki pangalap ha baraju opor rupan no ba kawi Jingkren kajung chief minister ini si no ka ba pelong ha banwan namu pai ba ru tim bau Pyrshah mengkruti yaki MLA guna po opposition bagi leyu dan rei ngakwa mengkemau ni report ka Jingkren ka jong Pyntreikam kami ham nama rahbidi wat tangani ke CMSDF ka bangana glen ka junga nadu arpo apply sang lapha adu mentah tang ini skip berit ini bahaya henrei tang ikaniru nakalian ka jong pat pelan ya kani jadi nama kadang wan mengkemau ni report chief minister habi di bakasi MSDF hang tia po mulai